Hello, it's PunkBune, and this week I'm working on a collaboration piece for the Sailor Moon Redraw challenge. The Sailor Moon Redraw challenge is a very viral thing going on right now, where artists are redrawing this specific screenshot of Sailor Moon in their own style. My wonderful collaborator Cookie Joe did the line art, so for my part, I'm adding the color. I absolutely love this viral art trend, and every time I go on Instagram or any other social media pages, it's hard not to get caught up in looking at all of them. It's so cool seeing such an inspiring anime heroine be transformed into so many different styles. I myself wanted to join in, but recently, due to real life stuff, I've lacked motivation to try. But when my cousin came to me with this idea to collab on it, I was all for it. Sailor Moon played a big role in my childhood and throughout the rest of my life thus far. I remember my mother thinking I was absolutely crazy for getting up so early just to watch it. I would sit in my mother's huge chair with a bowl of cereal watching as my favorite everyday girl transformed into a superhero protecting the Earth by secretly defeating bad guys. This was also back when Deke was doing the dub, so I also got to enjoy the little Sailor Moon says bits at the end. It wasn't until my teenage years did I understand the whole dub thing, so it never really bothered me. I also remember going to the bookstores with my dad just to read the manga, especially when it made the move to Toonami, because I could no longer watch it due to not having cable. I probably read through the whole series at least twice just hanging out at bookstores because it was so fascinating to see all the hardships she had to overcome, along with her friends who she would sometimes, unfortunately, have to battle against too. I was so obsessed. I remember my school put together a Halloween party, and growing up without much money, my parents didn't really have costumes for us. But I took a blue skate skirt I had, tucked in a white tee, and wrapped this blue fabric around the collar so I could somewhat mimic Sailor Moon. I'm not really sure if I pulled it off, nor do I think anyone knew what I was going for, but I was so proud of dressing up. You could say that Sailor Moon was the inspiration for me to start cosplay. Sailor Moon was partially the reason why I started art too. That and my friend who was really talented at drawing. So did Sailor Moon have a big impact on you? Please let me know in the comments below. And with that, this piece is complete. I hope you enjoyed watching. Go ahead and like this video if you did. Also, don't forget to subscribe if you'd like to see more of my content. Thank you again, and until next time, bye!